PKGM. This one is currently in 4th place off of the 0004, now at 0006. This is the previous picks and dates. So, BJM and Country, stock pick PKGM, 0004, 50%. Number 4, 4th place. Congratulations over on the contest. All right. I took a look at my notes here. We went through this one on December 9th. That was the last time we took a look at this one. And I put on my notes, it was trading at 001. So that was when we looked at this one, it was right here. Let me get my mouse here. There we go. Right there. When we looked at this. And I put on here, volume is dropping off. I believe it's going to be heading down because it seems like the market's losing interest on it. Okay, that's what I said then. So this has been a little bit, and it's dropped quite a bit. I mean, you went from 001 smacking lows over here of 0004. Okay, and that's that's where you called it at. So good job. So and it dropped off. But you know, everybody that watches my our streams here and watches my analysis of these charts, you know that I always, short term, right? I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, you guys watching this stock right here, and in 6 months from now, it's way back. Well, way back here when I said it was gonna go up, it's way up, So, no, we're looking at right now. I like to keep it at that. So let's pay attention to what's going on here. You see this getting up here on the 19th, tapping that 20-day simple moving average, and then on the 20th, yesterday, you break through that almighty 20-day simple moving average. I would have been like, yes, this thing is going to start rocking and rolling. But it's hitting a little bit of a resistance now today. Still early in the day. You got plenty of volume, plenty of time to go. So, you know what? This happened with the ONCI when I did this stock. You guys, I was basically at the same thing during the day. I kind of had a pivotal point of, okay, it could do this. If it does this, it's going to do this. If it does this, then it's going to do that kind of thing on my last one that we did on Monday. And I had a lot of people come over on YouTube and comment off the video. And because I nailed it. I mean, I really did. And I'm not some kind of guru. I'm just telling you how I see these charts, right? And it did it. It did exactly what I thought. So I was pretty glad with that, to see it actually turn for the better, and it did. So PKGM currently trading at 0005. What I'm going to be looking at right here is for this 20-day, for this 10-day, and this 20-day to fall. That's why you see it get up here. It got above this. If I can zoom in a little bit more, okay, for you. So it got above that 20-day simple moving average. See it tapped that 10 up here? And then it bounced back down, but it still closed above that 20-day. So then the 20-day goes, and then here you are today, and it closed yesterday at 0006, opened at 0005. So it gapped down a little bit, one tick, right? We need to get through. We need to get through this 0007 area, okay? Because that's going to be a really, really strong stock, in my opinion. The reason why I say that is you go up right here, right? Perfectly normal. You come back down, but you don't go below that 30-day simple moving average. And then now it looks like it's going to be bouncing off of that. So if you can bounce off of that and get through that 10-day simple moving average, it's going to be a little tough. But if you get enough volume and that continues, I think you can start heading up. Bounce right off of that 30-day and start heading up. If it can't hold that, make sure that this 30-day, that dark blue line holds. That is all I have to add for PKGM. So, Joe, is there anything recent?
Well, there's a stop sign on it over at OTC Markets. And then I went to look to see if there's news. There's no recent news, but on the filings, there was like a filing yesterday, which is something to look at. It's a Form 15/12G. So I remember this one last night because I ended up liking a post from another member. I'll provide the link to it. It's basically the guy wrote about this actual Form 15, and he said that Pocket Games yesterday filed the Form 15 with the SEC. This is where things become cloudy because it's a new. It is new, and we don't have much information to go off. But allow me to state my opinion. Pretty much, I guess If you look close, Pocket Games filed the Form 15/12G. Although it may mean more than one thing to me, it means PKGM is planning on terminating their registration and ceasing their reporting obligations to the SEC. A non-technical term for this is called going dark. If this is the used, if they still use this term nowadays, who knows? Of course, leaving dramatic aside, it also may not mean this and may simply be them reorganizing. So that's that. I mean, they filed that yesterday.
All right.
And then I'll provide that post that the member had posted last night. So that's funny. When I pulled this up, I remember like I seen that form and I was like, you know what? I remember reading something about that last night. Sure enough, I found it. So thank you, Joey68. I appreciate that.
All right. PKGM, guys. Like I said, right now you're kind of at that place. You got plenty of time in the trading day still. So get up above that. 0006, 0007, definitely 0007. You get above 0007, it's gonna be really looking good here. I know it's trying to tap that. Stock ticker symbol PKGM. Head over to investorshangout.com.